Let's add a new block and choose the menu block. And now we have the footer menu at the bottom of our store. Before launching our new store, we're going to have to set up our payment processor so that customers can actually check out and complete the payment. So in the dashboard, let's go to Settings on the bottom left, then go to Payments. Here, click on Activate Shopify Payments and fill out all the details to complete this process. This will enable customers on your store to choose between many different payment methods, like credit card, Apple Pay, Shop Pay, and more. By default, customers will also be able to check out using PayPal. You can deactivate PayPal checkout if you want to, but usually that decreases the conversion rate on your store, so I would just leave it turned on. We also want to make sure to set up our shipping rates. So let's go to Shipping and Delivery. Here, we can set up different shipping rates based on the regions we're shipping our products to, and we can also add a dynamic shipping rate based on the weight or the price of the product. Before we launch our new store, there are a few more settings we want to look at. Under Store Details, make sure everything is filled out, like the store name, store email, billing information, and also the store currency. If you need to collect taxes for specific regions, you can set those up under Taxes and Duties. And the final thing we want to do is set up our custom domain, which is going to be the URL address of our website. So let's go to Domains. If you already have your domain, you can click on Connect Existing Domain and follow the instructions. But if you don't have a domain yet, you want to click on Buy New Domain. Then type in the domain you want to buy. This will most likely be your store name, and if it's available, you can buy it right here through Shopify. When that's done, it'll be automatically connected to your new store. Now, before we go live and launch our new store, we're going to have to pick a Shopify plan. So let's go to Online Store and click on Pick a Plan. Let's choose the basic plan, then choose the billing cycle, fill in all the necessary information, and confirm. Now, under Online Store, we can remove the password so that our Shopify store is now open to our customers. Once you launch your store, the next step will be to drive traffic on your Shopify store. And I have already created a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how you can advertise your Shopify store for absolutely free.